Dad's phone is ringing over there.
Huh? What? What is happening?
Don't you worry, Dad. Sprinter Mutlu will bring your phone to you right away.
Huh? Be careful there, Sprinter Mutlu.
Hello? I'm Mr. Kennan's son, the famous Sprinter Mutlu. Please hold on a second. Now don't you go anywhere.
Ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, the famous Sprinter Mutlu brought the phone in an instant.
Hello? Yes, I am. That's right, it's me. Ooh, this is a tremendous honor for me. I will certainly be with you at that ceremony. Thank you so much. Your father has just been chosen astrophysicist of the year. I need to prepare my speech for the award ceremony right away, you guys.
Congratulations, Daddy. That is great news.
Oh, awesome! That's my brilliant dad. We need to celebrate with a cake immediately.
What are we celebrating?
Oh, honey. Dear Sybil, here stands before you the astrophysicist of the year.
Perfect. Congratulations, dear. Mutlu was right. We need to cut a cake right away.
I think we even deserve an ice-cold lemonade with the cake as well. What do you think?
Lemonade and cake, my word!
Dear colleagues, I first would like to thank all of you for the attention you've given me and also my work. Nothing I like more than a nice cold lemonade.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everyday life embraces us. Come now, come live with joy inside you.